The African economy thrives on trade, industry, agriculture, and a fast-growing youth population amidst the advancement of information communication technology. With the gains of the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement and the Pan-African Payments and Settlement System that is primed to facilitate exponential growth in cross-border payment, it is time to explore the new normal with a virtual hybrid African trade exhibition to showcase Africa's inventions, innovations, products and services, and her diverse cultures. Reyes Definidos Solutions presents African Trade Exhibition, a premier virtual hybrid intra-African business converging platform for inventors, innovators, serial entrepreneurs and investors, business leaders, the policymakers, governments, and players in the SMEs market. The virtual hybrid platform features sessions, networking lounge, virtual booths, rooms, leaderboard, 50,000 plus attendees, and 5,000 plus exhibitors. Date is 1st to 10th December 2022. Time 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. West African time daily. For sponsorship, collaboration, and participation, please call 0815-469-4705 or visit www.africantradeexhibitionevents.com. Come, let's take Africa to a greater height.